All right, hopefully it's still light enough out to do this. It's starting to get dark and rain. We are going to upgrade the gauges. Let me see if I can, they're all kind of mismatching. This is like an IS Pro. I guess that one's, I guess they're all IS Pros, but they're just kind of weird. I wasn't really into them. Personally, this one, the light kind of pops on and off. I wanted to go do the GlowShift instead. Sorry for the buzzing. Let's turn that off. And then they had drilled in here and over here. They just kind of did it janky. So we got the GlowShift package. It actually was a little bit less than I thought it was going to be. Most of the GlowShift packages, when you get like the 7 color variations, got it all laid out nicely here. 7 color variation. I got the I think they just call it the black, but let me touch my screen here. Come on. Come on, camera. Okay, there we go. Sometimes they have a mirrored effect on here where it looks like there's nothing, and then when it lights up, you can see through it. I didn't want that. I just want the clear fronts with a nice clean look. They give you the, obviously the pillar. This one looks a little bit shiny. I'm going to paint this to match my trim. For the record, they give you all these other parts, stickers. I don't care about stickers. And then obviously a guide on how to do it, more information, and then all the wiring you're going to need. So that's what they give you. I'm going to go ahead and install this. There's install videos on YouTube you can watch. I'm just letting you know what I'm putting in my truck, and then I'll show you kind of like the after. These are really cool because you can just press the button and change the colors. There's 7 different colors to choose from. And you know, it just to match whatever you need to match. It's within reason of what most dashes are and color wise. They do have a green setup in here that I'll put on, or maybe the blue, but we'll see. I'll get this installed and then I'll splice this into the video, but I just want to let you know this is what we're putting in. And then maybe I'll even show what color I ended up, because this is like a weird like shiny black. Maybe we throw it in like this, but I'd probably not. So be back in a bit. Okay, so 3 to 4 hours later, and I'm not even exaggerating on that, I have the gauges in. These took forever, mainly because of just wiring and running everything and testing and all of that. They do obviously work. Sorry for the buzzing. Here, let me close the door so maybe we can get rid of the buzzing. Oh, they're going to be blinking on camera, I guess. But you can change the colors to whatever you want. It's not actually blinking. Let's do this. You can show red, blue, you know, yellow, purple, whatever. But obviously for this I want green. It's weird that that top one is blinking on camera, because in what I can see it's not blinking. But yeah, 3 to 4 hours to get these in. That's annoying, so I'm just going to block it. Takes a long time. I wouldn't recommend it for the novice necessarily. I did get color match mist gray paint. I'll link where I got that, so it matches the dash. Actually, I take that back. This came from Dash Skin, so maybe we can focus on that. It won't blink. So this Dash Skin color I got, which this matches. And then of course your stock trim is going to be a little bit faded, so is it going to match it perfectly? No. I just went ahead and painted the whole piece behind it, but everything's looking good. I still need to replace the cup holder. Oh, I'll update you later, but I got a new stereo and this sounds amazing, but I'll do that in a different video. And now we're ready to put carpet in. So yeah, love these gauges. Sorry they're blinking on camera. Love the gauges. Takes a long time to get in to do it properly. But they're in, they're working, happy there. On to the next one. Any questions, leave them below. The gauges, again, they were like $305, I think. That gives you the pillar, the gauges, all the wiring, everything you need. So that's it. See you on the next video.